Turn that damn phone up. Hey! Yeah. Uh-oh.
Really a very powerful wish.
Oh my god! Turn that damn phone up.
They've got a fan set on board. Is that Dispatch?
Who's our co-host?
Oh shit! Oh my god! Like when he stops.
Oh my god!
I love that.
Wait, you missed Robert De Niro?
Television studio.
Oh my god!
What happened?
Oh my god! ¿Cuál película fue esa?
On the cheese order. The cheese is
Oh, he missed the stop sign.
such as Doris Day, rock cuts,
Failed driver's test.
Stewart.
Trey, you might want to grab me.
Glasses on, everybody.
Whoa! What the freak? I don't think mine work either. I didn't fucking see them. Everything this time is so much more scarier. I don't know why. I'm terrified. Look at my chips. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Me thinks that this is where that was filmed. We got another one coming up, guys. Oh no! Oh, you're gonna want to take a look at this. Something doesn't feel right. Oh no! Something doesn't feel right. Oh hell no! Oh shit! Raise him up, Cheetah! Raise him up! Raise him up! No way! What is he doing? What's in this here?
Talk about his I don't think he can see us. Watch this. He's up to his old tricks.
What in the world?
Hospital. Stay right there. Security's on the way. You know that knife, man.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh, we gotta go! Oh, we got to go! Oh, we got to go!
What
happened here?
Steven
Oh my God! Oh, really bad happened here. I just have a feeling.
This is what we came to see, bro. Kiki! Oh my god!
From Jordan Peele's film, Nope.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool! I'm Florida.
Bruh.
Oh my god! Dude, that is so cool!
Oh my God, the motorcycle!
Dude, oh, the inflatables! Oh my gosh! Wow! Look at that!
Over there, I'm looking to the winking lip. And
Oh, look, look,
pictures
look.
taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie.
Look!
That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No?
Stop! This is
Behind this Hollywood fantasy.
It fucking flies above us.
stop!
Oh shit!
That means
Oh,
it's here.
Oh shoot!
Welcome to the world
Oh.
of no.
I'm being scared. Oh God!
Oh, was that?
Caught me off guard.
We probably won't even get to go. But... Whoa, there's so many people though. You can see my double chin. He over here in the fridge on Dad's bag. Try look at me. Wash it down with a cold Sprite.
Bro, I just took a whole lunch break on that freaking escalator ride.
The single riders line, we didn't even wait 5 minutes. When the wait was... We got in line at 29 the first time that we went. It's 43. It's been like 15 minutes maybe, like not even 15 minutes. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Hey.
Like a young man in uniform.
Oh, there you go.
Well, there's a dog. Ow. The fucking 10-foot cord.
Aquí podemos ir hasta Waterworld.
Look at
All the power goes out.
He disconnects one plug.
He causes a power outage.
Oh my god, is this the Minions light stick? Wait, pose. The bow's gonna be on your head.
I think that's Tails' lights.
He looks like, that's what he looks like. Oh my god, I think so too.
Barely noticed it. Was it you?
Oh, he gave it to me already. Oh, that one's cute. No, stay over there.
No way.
Oh my god.
Ain't no way.
Yo.
Get wet, you might want to move.
He's ruthless.
Bruh.
Oh, what the freak? the water world.
Oh my god. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
It tastes like a float, like an ice cream float. Now guess what ride I'm trying to catch?
Oh my god, Jita.
Oh. Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Wow! Look at me!
We finally got it last second. Maybe last